Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating to iOS 26 and making a quick backup. This preserves your home layout. Once done, pick a high-contrast PNG or hike image. Glass effects need defined edges to refract light. Next, go to Settings, tap Wallpaper, then create Glass Wallpaper to launch the editor. You perform the first adjustments now. Choose Lock or Home, then let iOS analyze depth. Make sure to allow image access so the system can extract layers for the glass effect. You now refine how the glass looks and why those choices matter. First, use the depth and refraction sliders to separate foreground objects from background so light bends naturally. Stronger refraction increases realism but can obscure icons. Then enable dynamic lighting and tweak strength to match your wallpaper's brightness. This adds subtle highlights as the screen changes. Once done, set parallax between 0.5 and 1. 0 for gentle motion. Make sure reduce motion is off to see the full. You finish by applying the glass wallpaper to lock, home, or both. Save a duplicate if you want variations for each screen. Then test with widgets and folders so icons remain legible. Reduce lighting strength or lower brightness if battery impact appears noticeable. If the wallpaper fails to apply, don't panic. Restart the device, toggle wallpaper sync in iCloud, and, if necessary, reset display settings to restore defaults. That single troubleshooting tip solves most glitches quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.